So when it comes to keeping the insects out of like your furnace and your water heater, these little insect screens do a really good job of that. And honestly, you can pick these up for so cheap. It's one of the must-have upgrades that I would recommend. So essentially, you've got these circle cone style like you see right here. However, if you've got one of this style right here where it's got the more of the square version, this 4.5 by 4.5 inch screen fits perfectly around this furnace exhaust port right here. Essentially, if you've never done this before, it comes with this little tool right here. It's just small enough that you can fit it through the squares in your mesh screen on your actual grill itself. And then you'll have these springs that'll kind of latch on to just wherever you've got an edge that you can latch it onto. Now, a little word of advice on this particular one right here, because this is so close to the actual furnace exhaust port, I had to angle my springs slightly inward and get them to stretch a little bit. Otherwise, they're going to be too loose and this thing's going to flop around too much on you. But if you take your springs from the inside and you kind of push them out to that direction, it holds just enough tension on this that it holds pretty steady right here. Going down the road, I haven't had any issues with it so far. And then on this one up here, all it takes is just the one spring and that will hold just in place like so. Pretty easy to do. If you're looking for a way to keep those wasps and those other pesky insects out of your exhaust ports on your camper, check out these little mesh screens and see if they might fit the bill for you. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next video.